everyone, this is Rebecca. This is my Unit 7 photo shoot. For the first one, I decided to do a church, and I tried to do it at kind of an upward angle, so it kind of looks like you're looking up at it. I really wanted to concentrate on this area because it was the tallest part of the building. For my second one, I decided to do my town's courthouse. This is just the front of it. For my third one, I decided on this one, which is the Chamber of Commerce. I got it at kind of a diagonal angle, so you get the front right here and get the get the side view where it kind of gives your eye somewhere to follow to the back of the building. And for the fourth photo, I decided to use my town's elementary school, and I tried to get this. It's kind of like a Sorry, my thing went off. I tried to get this. It's kind of like a corridor thing. I thought that it would kind of lead your eyes to the front door right here. And that's my photo shoot. Thank you for watching.